Now let's start our lesson. My classroom, week 2. After this lesson, you will be able to identify more classroom objects, and you will also be able to ask who has a classroom object. Let's look at our new lesson. The first object we are going to learn is ruler. Ruler in Mandarin is 尺子，尺子。这是什么？这是什么 ？What's this？ 这是尺子吗？这是尺子吗 ？Is this ruler? No， 这是剪子，剪子。这是什么 ？What's this？ 这是椅子，椅子。Now, can you please 跟我说 repeat after me？ 尺子，尺子，剪子，剪子，椅子，椅子。非常好。Now let's play a game. Can you try to match the pictures and the words? First one, chair. Chair is 尺子、椅子 or 剪子。Chair is 椅子。Are you correct? 椅子。Next one. Scissors. How to say scissors in Mandarin? Scissors in Mandarin is 尺子 or 剪子。That is 剪子。剪子。And the last one. Ruler. Ruler in Mandarin is 尺子。尺子。非常好。Now let's learn a new word. 谁？谁 ？Please 跟我读谁？谁？很好。谁 means who? Who? If I ask you, 你是谁？你是谁？你 means you. 是 are. 谁 question. 你是谁 Can you guess the meaning? 你 is you. 是 are. 谁 who. And with a question mark, it means who are you? Now, Emra, can you repeat after me? 你是谁？你是谁？ Well done. Now let's look at the new sentence. 谁有剪子？谁有剪子？谁 we know it means who. 有 is have or has. 剪子 is scissors. So 谁有剪子 Who has scissors? And how should we answer it? We can say 我有剪子。我有剪子。Please repeat after me. 我有剪子。我有剪子。It means I have scissors. 很好。Let's look at a new question. 谁有剪子？This is a boy. Does the boy have 剪子？ Yes. So we can say he has scissors. That is 他有剪子。他有剪子。跟我说 Everyone repeat after me. 谁有剪子？谁有剪子？ Who has scissors? And our answer is 他有剪子。He has scissors. Repeat after me. 他有剪子。他有剪子。非常好。Next question is 谁有尺子 ？What's the meaning of 谁有尺子？谁 who 有 has 尺子，尺子 is ruler。谁有尺子 ？Who has ruler? We can say 她有尺子，她有尺子。This time means she。她有尺子 ，she has a ruler。Now everyone repeat。谁有尺子？谁有尺子？他有尺子。他有尺子。非常好。First, listen to my question. My question is, 他是谁 ？We know 他 means he. 是 it means is. 谁 is who. 他是谁 means who is he. What should we answer? We should answer with Tom. 他是 Tom. He is Tom. So we can say 他是 Tom. Which means he is Tom. 他是 All right. Now let's look at our question here. 谁有尺子 ？Who has a ruler? 谁有尺子？We can say Tom 有尺子。Tom 有尺子 ，which means Tom has a ruler. Now everyone, 跟我说 ，repeat after me. 谁有尺子？谁有尺子？Tom 有尺子。Tom 有尺子。非常好。Let's look at the summary. In this lesson, we've learned 尺子 which means ruler. 剪子 scissors. 椅子 chair. And the sentence we've learned is 谁有尺子 Who has a ruler? 我有尺子 I have a ruler. 他有尺子 He has a ruler. 他有尺子 She has a ruler. And Tom 有尺子 Tom has a ruler. That's all for today. Thank you for your listening. See you next week. 再见。